Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Southern Serenade, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have powder pink, and I'm using two in colors, and these are going away at the end of May. This is Fresh Fig. So if you want them, I suggest you get them now. We're going to be using Southern Serenade, and we're going to be using this lace and Happy Birthday. And this stamp set is also going away. Okay, so I have a piece of powder pink, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. And then I have my lace mounted on clear block E. And I'm just going to ink that up, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle, and we're just doing tone on tone, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my Happy Birthday, and this is mounted on clear block B, and I'm going to put it right here in the center, just like that. All right, well that is all the stamping we're doing. Let's put this card together now. I have another piece of Fresh Fig, and this is cut at 3 by 4. Go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, so we are going to mount this onto our mat, and we'll just center this. Just like that. Next, I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have the lace embossing folder, and I have a piece of petal pink, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm sorry, powder pink, not petal pink. And this is a dynamic folder, so you do not have to put the top plate on. All right, let's get this out of the way. And now we have this lace. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so I'm going to adhesive on all 4 sides and a little bit in the middle as well, because it's embossed. I don't want it to come up. So we will center this. I'm not doing great at centering today, guys. All right. Now I'm going to give it a good rub down. So just like that, I'm going to come in with my sentiment and pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Place one right here in the middle. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my rose metallic thread, and this is carrying over into the new catalog that comes out June 3rd. Let me know if you need a catalog. You can send me an email, or you can subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to use these Floral Romance seals. I haven't used these yet, so I wanted to get some use out of them. Okay, so for the thread, I'm just going to run it around my fingers about 4 times. And then pull that off. And then I am going to twist it. What happened to my seal? Ah, it's on my finger now. Alright, so I've twisted it. And I'm going to put it down right there. And I'm just going to put it right here in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and trim off these little tails because they are a little bit longer than the card. So there you have it, a quick and simple happy birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!